Hi, this is Daniel French. Wanted to go over my schedule with those that have me on their schedule. Basically, I am an exceptional student education teacher this year, although I have a background in math at Dunedin Middle. Period one, I am doing ESE support with Mr. Malvere. Science class, it's a 7th grade class. I'm there to help all students, but specifically making sure the ESE kids get their support that they need as stated in their IEP. During second period, I am teaching VE math temporarily. I'm soon to be switched to a unique skills class, probably this week. And the math class is self-contained, which means I have only those kids in all grade levels. The unique skills class, Miss Carney is currently helping kids students in that particular class, but soon I'll be doing that second period. Third period, I do VE science, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Again, that's self-contained, which means it's just those kids together. And that class will be using Canvas heavily. We are going to be doing some group activities, exploring concepts of nature science. So at times we do labs together, but for the most part, those students will be using Canvas. And Canvas is available 24 hours a day for any makeup. So that's kind of good in those classes or in that class. Fourth period, I'm with Mr. Fulker, science, 8th grade as support. That's before lunch for 8th graders, and also after lunch in period 5, I support Mr. Fulker's science class. The last period of the day, period 7, I also do ESE support with Mr. Mills' 6th grade class. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is frenchda@pcsb.org.